Arnold Schwarzenegger's pacemaker revelation. Arnold Schwarzenegger, the 76-year-old Terminator star, recently revealed on his Arnold's Pump Club podcast that he had a pacemaker fitted after 3 open-heart surgeries. He shared, "Last Monday I had surgery to become a little bit more of a machine. I got a pacemaker." Schwarzenegger, known for his secretive nature about medical issues, expressed how sharing his health journey has given courage and hope to others with similar conditions. He stated, "Since I know that going against my secretive instinct and being transparent helps people, what choice do I have?" The legendary former bodybuilder assured fans that he is doing great and thanked the medical team for their amazing care during the surgery. He also mentioned that his doctors advised him to get a pacemaker due to irregular heartbeat caused by scar tissue from a previous surgery. This health news comes just weeks after his good pal Danny DeVito revealed that they are working on a new movie together. DeVito mentioned, "We've talked to a Warner Brothers exec about a movie for Arnold and I." Stay tuned for more updates on Arnold Schwarzenegger's journey to recovery and his upcoming projects.